Welcome back, everybody. LewUp47 here with our daily quick back. I recently picked up this new Pokemon tin, so we're going to find out what's inside, and we'll open up one of the packs. It's a giant coin. And we got a Chilling Reign, a Vivid Voltage, and an Evolving Skies. Big fan of Evolving Skies, so let's do Evolving Skies today. There's your code card. Dark Energy, Zinnia's Resolve, Zwellios, Ribbon Badge, Flabébé, Drowsy, Rufflet, Psyduck, Zorua, Eevee, that's a reverse, holy shit, and a Espeon V. Let's go, that looks dope. Thank you everybody for watching, and I'll see you next time. Later.